Introducing TAPAS, the virus terminator from India. TAPAS is manufactured by EMTEX using ultraviolet light exposure technology endorsed and approved by DRDO to disinfect the exposed surface of all viruses, including the COVID-19 virus. TAPAS is an easy-to-use device and is befitting of any home office, bank, shop or restaurant due to its elegant design and usefulness. To use a device, plug in the same in any household 220-volt socket. Place the objects that need to be sterilized inside the chamber like this. Once every item is placed, close the lid. Now you set up the timer, which can be done from 1 minute to 10 min in intervals by the timer as shown. Let's see, now the timer is set at 2 minutes. Now you can press the green button to start the sterilization. Immediately a red light will glow and TAPAS has started its work by exposing the contents with germinating UV gradations. As the exposure of UV lights are harmful to human skin and eyes, TAPAS is provided with a safety interlock to ensure that even if you open it while the red light is on by mistake, the light will cut off. And only when you close the lid back the germicidal action will restart. Once the time is over, the green light will come back and you are ready to use the sterilized articles and also TAPAS for the next lot. If the objects are larger, you may remove the divider like this and place the object as shown. TAPAS is equipped with Philips UV lamps and comes with a 1-year warranty.